Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be showcasing the top 5 best portable neck fans of 2023. With the summer heat getting more intense each year, it's important to stay cool and comfortable wherever you go. These neck fans are perfect for outdoor activities, traveling, or simply lounging at home. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list and find the perfect portable neck fan for you. Number 5. Apatner Wearable Neck Fan. This fan also offers 3 adjustable speed modes: low, medium, and high, along with a bendable silicone strip for getting the perfect angle for maximum output. The 1800 mAh battery provides 4 to 8 hours of battery backup too, depending how you use it. Whether you are preparing meals in your kitchen or taking a crowded train home after work, this option from Apatner can help save you from getting hot and sweaty. With its 7-blade fan driven by a powerful brushless motor, this product delivers a strong and pleasant breeze. With its feather-like weight and minimum sound, you probably won't even notice it's there. Number 4. Wowgo Handsfree Portable Neck Fan. Apart from the stylish ergonomics, this product comes with embedded lighting in 7 colors, allowing you to select one that matches your style, or you can turn on color swapping mode. The 2000 mAh rechargeable battery also provides up to 6 hours of battery backup. But if you want to feel a greater cooling effect, you'll have to stick with 2.5 hours of use. For people who are experiencing increased heat from climate change in their everyday lives, Wowgo has designed a robust portable neck fan to help safeguard people from the excruciating summer heat. This well-designed option features 7 fan blades that blow stronger across a 360-degree angle. Number 3. Comlife Portable Neck Fan. Unlike typical neck fans, this product features a 4-propeller fan with 6 different speed options for controlling airflow depending on your requirements and the temperature outdoors. Even though it's adjustable, make sure to keep your hair tied up to avoid injuries. If there's something that matters more than wind speed and adjustable fan directions, it's consistency. This option from Comlife has a 2600 mAh high-capacity battery, ensuring up to 16 hours of runtime in natural wind mode. Trust us, you don't want your wearable fan running out of power when you need it most. Number 2. Juananiug Wearable Neck Fan. The 360-degree rotation also helps cooler air surround you. Not to mention, you can adjust the fan direction for a more personalized experience. Although the lithium-ion rechargeable battery provides a battery life of between 3 to 12 hours, you can optimize the power output using the 3 fan speeds. If you want something to keep you from sweating too much while hiking, on your morning jogs, or while camping, this portable neck fan by Juananiug could be a great fit. Apart from being ultra-lightweight and noiseless, this option features a 7-blade design that provides more airflow even in humid conditions. Number 1. Jisulife FA12 Portable Neck Fan. With its high-capacity 4000 mAh battery, this product can run for up to 16 hours. This neckband fan also features an ultra-lightweight design which runs without almost no noise, making it a good solution for stuffy and crowded spaces. The bladeless design and the noiseless operation helped us judge this option as the best overall on this list. With its efficient motor, stylish headphone-inspired design, and 360-degree air movement, this option from Jisulife is a great way of beating the heat. The dual-turbine motor sends cool breezes across its air outlets, helping keep you cool, refreshed, and active. The lack of fan blades makes this product safer, and you won't have to worry about your hair getting tangled in it. As the summer heat continues to rise, staying cool and comfortable has become more important than ever. And what better way to beat the heat than with a portable neck fan? In today's video, we've explored the top 5 best portable neck fans of 2023, each with their own unique features and benefits. From sleek and stylish designs to powerful and long-lasting battery life, these neck fans are the perfect accessory for any outdoor adventure or indoor relaxation. So, whether you're on a hike, lounging at the beach, or simply working from home, these neck fans will keep you cool and comfortable all day long. We hope you enjoyed this creative exploration of the top 5 best portable neck fans of 2023. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.